This is my 2015 bike check. Shout out to Custom Riders for hooking me up with all these parts quickly, cheaply, and just generally being an amazing shop. Go check out their website, www.customriders.com, for all your parts and BMX needs. First off, got Odyssey power ends, ODI long necks in black, which are long and stretched and just amazing, so comfortable. Federal AC V1s. I've had these bars for fucking ages, like 3 years. They haven't broken yet, which is good. I have the eclat fist stem in black, which is flipped. Shadow headset, which is nice, spins well. Premium FYBs in black, as you can see. Same wheels I've had for about 3 years. BSD laced to gsport. Haven't broken yet, have no problems with them, they're brilliant. Fitbikeco tyres, 2.1 in both sides. Moving on down, eclat pedals, Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks, 175. Eclat vent sprocket, I'm thinking. Yeah, I'm not sure about that, but it's a nice fixed sprocket, it won't break. KMC 510 chain, BSD laced to G-Sport in the back, Fitbikeco tyre. I have the Federal Royal seat with the little white Federal logo. I have Shadow bottom bracket, 22 to fit my Thunderbolts, and haven't got onto the best part yet, the frame. Matt Rowe signature Mutiny Conjurer, best frame in the business, 8.9 standover, 69 degree seat tube, 74.5 degree head tube, and 13.25 back end. I run my back end slammed because it makes spinning nicer and doing backflips more fun. I flip my stems so that my bars are a little bit higher, just because it feels a bit nicer, because I'm quite a tall person at 5'11", so yeah.